Hello guys. So I am not affiliated or sponsored by any of these following platforms. It's just something that is on my radar and I wanted to share with you. I've often found success from being in the right place at the right time. So often being an early adopter or finding out about new platforms early can make all the difference. So that's why I'm always trying new platforms and software, because I never know which new opportunities I'll stumble onto. That's why I'm wanting to introduce you to crypto art income, something that I stumbled across and I just want to share it with you. The space is currently filled with a lot of crypto themed kinds of art and related topics, because that's the audience in the market at the moment. But in the future, I can definitely see that evolving and the trends evolving along with it. It stems from technology called NFTs, which is non-fungible tokens, which are digital objects that you can own. So they're designed in a way in which you create a digital item that has value, scarcity, and permanence. Each platform I'm going to show you is approaching things slightly different in their perspective, but the thing they have in common is that they're all currently using the Etherium blockchain for creation of their tokens or contracts to record the sales and ownership. So the first one I'm going to show you is called Super Rare. Here we have it here on screen. Currently they've got 8,000 collected artworks, over 1 million that's been earned by artists, and it gives you a rundown on what the site's about. This is the first and currently only platform that I am part of, so I can show you my page here and some of my artworks, and then you can go and view all the artworks I've got available. It's not that many. I think I joined a couple of months ago, and this one here is the first one I've sold, so you can see the owner here, and then you can go and see how much it's sold for. I think let's see, when I sold it 2 months ago, it was half an ether, which at the time was $100, but I think right now it's worth 400 at the time of recording this, $400 US. So the price fluctuates, but this one's based on ether, so the ether that I have will never change. Let's have a look at some top artists for Super Rare. So we can see the top sales of this artist here is 78,000, and highest single sale 16,000. And then you have, a leaderboard of different artists here that you can go and check out what their work is like, and you can purchase their works. One of my favorite artists that I follow on Instagram and first got me into this platform is Algo Mystic. Lots of nice generative, flowy, abstract artwork from him, and I would suggest you check out his work. Next platform is Nifty Gateway. Now, Super Rare has original artworks for sale, and then also a portion of those sales go back to the original creator, I think 10%. But Nifty Gateway approaches things a little bit differently. It was created by a set of twins in 2018, and then later acquired by another set of twins, the Winklevoss twins, a bit later. And so they have like limited sets that you can buy. So this is their website. This is the top stats of some of the top creators. But you can see from this page here, so we Sting Into the Eye is the name of this artwork here, number 13 of 20. So you can see that they have a limited sets, sort of like a limited edition print run, where you buy this small animated video or GIF here. It's number 3 of 10. So he's only ever releasing 10 of these, and this is the number the third one that's in that series. I mean, it's the third of that run. I don't know how many series, how many artworks you would have in a series, but you can see this is number 12 of 75. So they have limited edition runs of things that you can purchase and then own. display in your home or sell later on if you want to. So the next one is rareart.io. Rare Art. So this one, similar concept, motion photography, illustration, design, painting. So the range of different artworks you can sell on here, whatever kind of artist you are. And this one's a little bit different because they have a mobile app, so you can browse all these artworks and you can buy and transact on the mobile app. Pretty sure it's an iPhone app. Not sure about Android, but and so you can see, they've got a nice little video explaining how she's not just on her app and she can buy and sell, and then she can display it on her TV or wherever she's comfortable. We just got paid. And the last one I'm going to show you today is withfoundation.com, but just Foundation. And they're sort of new on the scene, and they've got a really nice design site. And you can see that similar, they've got 22 of 50. They've got limited edition availability of original created artworks, and you can buy, trade, and redeem. But they've currently got, which might interest you, a sort of call for creatives. So announcing an open call for creators to experiment with crypto and play with the concept of value. So they've got a theme. They're looking for new makers and creators to get onto their platform. So, it might be a good time to check out that. So that's what I've got on my radar for the coming weeks. Hopefully it sparks some new ideas for you and gives you some avenues to explore. I'd love for you to let me know if you found this interesting and what I should check out or what you've found interesting and want me to check out and look at in the coming weeks. Catch you later, guys. See you later.